In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment your audience in Mailchimp. Audience segmentation is one of the most powerful ways to send more relevant, personalized emails and to improve your results over time. Instead of sending every message to everyone, you can group your contacts based on what they do, who they are, or how they interact with your campaigns. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create and save a segment in Mailchimp step by step. First, log into your Mailchimp account and head to the main navigation. Look for the Audience section. Click Audience, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Segments. This is where all of your saved segments will live and where you'll create new ones. Next, we'll create a new segment. On the Segments page, click the button that says Create New Segment. This opens up the Segment Builder, which is where you'll tell Mailchimp exactly who you want to include. Now, you'll see an option to choose the logic for your segment, depending on your plan. If you're on a standard plan or higher, you can switch between and or logic. And means a contact has to meet every single condition you set. Or means they only need to meet at least one of the conditions. If you're on a free plan, you'll be limited to and logic with up to 5 conditions. Take a moment to think about how strict or broad you want your segment to be before you move on. Once you've decided on the logic, it's time to add your first filter. Use the Select or Search a Filter drop-down menu to choose a category. You'll see options like Contact Details, Email Activity, and E-commerce Activity, among others. These categories define the general area you want to filter by, such as who the subscriber is, what emails they've opened, or what they've purchased. After you pick a category, you'll define the specific criteria. For example, under Email Activity, you might choose something like Email Interaction did not open the last campaign. This tells Mailchimp to find people who match that exact behavior. You can add more conditions if you want to refine the segment further, as long as you stay within your plan's limits. When your conditions are in place, click Review Segment. Mailchimp will show you how many contacts currently match what you've set up. This is a good time to double-check that the number looks reasonable based on your list size and your filters. If everything looks right, it's time to save your work. A pop-up will ask you for a segment name. Choose something clear and descriptive so you and your team will recognize it later, like did not open last campaign or recent buyers. Once you've entered the name, click Save and Exit. Your new segment is now saved and ready to use whenever you create a campaign, set up an automation, or want to analyze a specific group of subscribers.